Yeah, I'd like to add on that. So usually when I'm thinking, as I mentioned, what I'm going to do for the next 20 to 30 years. So as the question directly answering, reflecting back on it, I would say for the next 10 years, I would probably see myself in a first world country, providing myself with a better lifestyle, occupied, having a huge passive income, so I can focus on my passion and have a strategic life, and probably rise to like world leaders.
Yeah, I remember saying that, when we asked all of you what you want to be, you said you want to be an entrepreneur. So that's really good, to start on your own, to do things. And being an entrepreneur also has its own ups and downs. Initially you may not be successful, you have to prove yourself, and then only life takes on. So all the best for that, Sudarshan, to you. Anything else you want to ask, Athena?
So if you are able to share any one good memory with us, what you had.
It's basically, I have been in Vidyasauda from my UKG, and there is not like one bad memory that I can recall, or even through the scoldings that I've got, it is all a good memory. It is something that I will cherish when I grow up.
Anyone?
Like Adarsh said, there's not a bad memory, but the first thing that comes to my mind from past 10 years would be Teachers' Day. The way we celebrated your Teachers' Day, it stays forever in my heart.
So I'm so very happy to hear that you give so much of respect to your teachers, because they are the ones who have brought you to this level from where you're going to lead your journey on your own, right? School life is something where you depend on your teachers. But once you enter into the college life, you're on your own. You have to prepare and you have to set your goals and see how you carry forward and achieve that goal in your life. So I think hearing all of you, I feel so proud as a principal that you all have so much of thought process in your mind, and very wisely you have answered everything. You know how to go about in life. So that's really good. And from the management side, from the Vidyasauda school, our chairman Dr. Manjegoda and vice chairman Arvind sir and all, I wish you all the best, because they have been the pillars of support for us to provide whatever you needed. That is how even we are here to see that whatever support we get, we see that is passed on to the students, so that we bring better and new changes in their learning process. And as today that it is an AI generation everyone is talking about, so we don't know what beholds in future for all of us. But nevertheless, teachers are those who leave a lasting impact on the students. And really, I should thank your parents as well for being so supportive, so understanding in not only grooming yourself, but aligning with the school to give those chances, the platforms for you to perform very well. So, any goodbye note from your side?
Yeah, I'm very thankful to the faculty and the teachers who have helped me gain my success, and also mainly during the exam time. Some teachers like Shiju ma'am, Kusma ma'am, and other teachers also, even when they were busy, they they picked up my call and also cleared all of my doubts. So during exam time, they were very helpful. So I'm really thankful.
And a good teacher is a teacher who can not only teach the wise ones, but also those who are
Very true.
not interested in learning stuff, and take them on the right path. And you will not believe it that all of my teachers have put in so much of effort to shape me into what I have. I'm so thankful to my parents and my teachers alike. All my teachers, they have worked so hard for this.
Okay, that's good.